Today I'm going to show you how to make two super cute, quick, and easy popsicle stick Christmas ornament crafts. So let's get started. To get started on today's craft, you're going to need some glue, some scissors, a little bit of ribbon. Here I have 2 pieces, a pencil, 2 popsicle sticks, and some paper. I'm using red and white. You grab whatever colors you would like. To make our craft, I am going to take my pieces of paper that I have chosen. Now here I'm going to use red and white. I'm going to show you, this is my red and white. You could also use red and green. You could use white and green. You could use all 3 colors. You can decide. But I'm just going to show you using these 2 colors. I'm going to start with my red and I'm going to fold over my paper once. I'm going to fold over my paper again. And I'm going to fold over my paper one more time. So I folded it 3 times. I'm going to take the lid of my glue. If you don't have this, then you can just draw a circle. Otherwise, this is a great tracer. I'm going to put it down on this red piece of paper. I'm going to trace around it. I'm going to trace around it again. And depending on how many I make, if I wanted to make more, I could trace around it 3 times to get extra circles. Then guess what? We're going to do the exact same thing with this white piece. So I'm folding once. I'm folding twice. I'm folding 3 times. And then I am going to trace again. I'm actually going to put this one right in the corner this time, see if I can get 3 out of it. 1, put it right over here beside, 2 tracing. And let's see if we can get a 3rd. Might be able to. Oh, no, I don't think I can. I could always use more paper. I have my circles traced, and you bet we are going to cut them out. So go ahead, cut them all out, and meet me back here. So I have all my circles. I am ready to form my ornament. The first thing I want to do is take some glue and put quite a bit down. You can see I have quite a bit of glue there, and the reason is I want to glue my ribbon. So I'm going to stick one little piece of ribbon. I'm going to take the other piece and loop it right in front. Now that's a really big long piece of ribbon. I don't think I need that long piece of ribbon. I should have maybe measured, so I'm just going to cut some of that off. That's a bit too long. Try that again. I'm going to put that right on my glue. Take the other side, put it down as well. If you don't have enough glue, just add some more. There. Now my ribbon is on, and I am ready to glue my circles on. I think I will just start with a little bit of glue on my stick, put my first circle, and then I'm just going to layer, leaving a little bit of space in between all the way up and creating a pattern. When I get to the top, I'm just going to curve my pattern around to make a candy cane. You can leave big spaces, smaller spaces. This is where you get to be creative. So go ahead. And I like the way that looks, and it's ready to go. So there's one ornament. I'm going to show you how I do the next one. It's quite similar. I want to put my bow on first, so just make sure. Now that we've learned we need to cut that ribbon, it's a bit too long. I'm going to make mine a little bit shorter. I'm going to put quite a bit of glue down on that stick. I'm going to put one part of my ribbon on, grab the other side and push that down right in the same spot. If I need more glue, I can add it, but I have quite a bit, and I'm just going to leave that. Now we're going to make this part right here. And to do that, we're doing a pattern again. But this time, we're gluing the pattern before we put it on the stick. So we're gluing it just here. So I'm gluing around and around. So it's going in more of a circle. Still leaving space. So I've got my red, my white. Just going to keep going around. Okay, when I get to this last one, and you can see it doesn't really match, I'm just going to take that bottom one that I started with and loop and wrap it over top. So let me show you again. So let me show you a little more slowly. So the one I just glued is going to go underneath, and the first one I glued is going to go over top, and then just move them in so that they match. Then you're going to take those, glue them on the popsicle stick, and you have your ornaments. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.